Hi everyone and welcome back to La Strega Bella. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple freeze jar to remove negative people's energy and thoughts from your life. To cast this spell, you'll need a small jar that can be sealed. This little jar has a cork in it. You'll also need some water. I've used moon water that I've charged under the full moon. You'll also need a small piece of paper that you can write the person's name on, and some rosemary. Rosemary is used to prevent the evil from escaping the jar. I like to begin by cleansing my space, including the jar that I'm going to use. I've used a sage incense stick. Begin by writing the person's name on the piece of paper and drawing a long straight line through the middle of their name. This is to cross out their negative energy and prevent them from doing any further harm. Fold the paper away from yourself as many times as you need to so it will fit in the jar. You can then add your rosemary and fill the jar with your water. Once the water in the jar has frozen over, the spell will be activated. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative.